Nestled amidst boulders and lush vegetation, the property exudes a tranquil ambience. The crowning jewel of the outdoor concept is the stunning pool, seamlessly integrated into the dramatic landscape. The original two-bedroom Joshua Tree home, once a simple dwelling, now serves as a versatile second home and rental business thanks to the vision of its new owners, a young family. The interiors showcase a relaxed style with beige and white tones, wood accents, and woven furnishings. The calm and neutral color palette complements the surrounding desert landscape. The property's highlight is the expansive outdoor area with breathtaking Mojave Desert vistas. Multiple patios and chill areas, suitable for year-round use depending on the weather, enhance the outdoor experience.